How to get Sinnoh stone in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get the Sinnoh stone in Pokemon Go. Now basically there are four main ways to obtain the Sinnoh stone in the game itself. The first way is to go ahead and get it by earning a research breakthrough on by completing the 7 field research task. You can complete the 7 field research task that you'll get on the game tab, and there you can earn the breakthrough prize where you might get the Sinnoh stone. The second is by defeating a Team Go Rocket leader. Now I've already made a video on how you can defeat the Team Go Rocket leader. You can go ahead and watch it on my channel. However, once you defeat the Team Go Rocket leader, you will be able to get this Sinnoh stone. You'll be able to obtain it, so you might want to go ahead and battle the Team Go. The third is winning the PvP battles against other trainers. As you know, that person versus person battle is itself available on the game. You can go ahead and add other trainers or battle other trainers, and as a reward you'll be able to get a reward, and there you might or might not be able to get the Sinnoh stone. It's not however confirmed. The fourth is to earn a mystery item in the Go Battle League. Go ahead and participate in the Go Battle League, and if you get a mystery item, once you earn a mystery item, you might get Sinnoh stone, or you might obtain Sinnoh stone from it. So these are the ways you can get Sinnoh stone in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.